While Case Management Hub's digital forms offer the most streamlined experience, sometimes you need to use an existing form. For example, a government form where you can't change the formatting. This feature allows you to send PDF or Word forms to clients who can then download them, complete them, and upload them securely. First off, it's important to understand the difference between a digital form in Case Management Hub and an uploaded form template. I'll go over some quick bullets and then I'll show you visually. The digital form can be shared with a link. It's filled out online. It doesn't have to be downloaded and re-uploaded. Answers can save automatically to reports and the contact profile. It will sync data with your profile fields. Now the uploaded form is static. It'll be either in PDF or Word format. You upload the blank template. Then when you send it to your client, they can download it from their client account, fill it out offline, then they'll need to scan it, re-upload it, and send it back to you. The answers in the uploaded PDF or Word form template do not automatically save to reports or the contact profile, meaning there's no synced fields and there's no form reports because they're static documents. Now let me show you what that means visually. Here on the Client Forms page in Case Management Hub, I'll see two buttons, Create Digital Form and Create Uploaded Form. I'll also see that same tooltip we just went over. Creating a digital form brings you to the Form Builder, where you can build out your form in digital format. When I drag any of these client fields in, that data is going to sync to the client profile page and vice versa. Here's an example. I can see the fields are syncing with the profile. Additionally, these digital forms will run form reports. Now, when it comes to the uploaded form, I'm uploading a static copy of a form. There's no syncing fields, no form reports. One thing I will be able to add, however, is a signature field. So it's very important to understand those distinctions because, again, you won't see uploaded PDF or Word form templates populate any data fields in the client profile. Now I'll take you through the process of how to use them. Let's say that our nonprofit works with a government agency. Therefore, we have to use the forms they provide and can't edit them in any way. This is one example of why you may need to use an uploaded Word or PDF form rather than the more versatile digital version. So we're going to be working with this California Department of Social Services form. So the first step is to have your copy of the blank form template that you're going to upload. Now you'll want to make sure it's blank and not filled in by one of your clients, because this is going to be the template that you send out to multiple clients. So we'll go to our Forms, Client Forms, and create an uploaded form. It'll ask me for the form name. I can also categorize that form, and if I like, I can also add it to a program. You can decide whether or not you need the client to sign. This is the one digital element that you can add. I'll go ahead and leave it checked for now. And now I'll upload my form. And click Add. Now you'll see that this PDF form has been added to my form templates. You'll also notice that under the Format column, it says PDF. If I had uploaded a Word document, the format would say Word. Again, I want to stress that it's very important to upload a blank template, not one that has a client's answers. Now I can send this form to my clients like usual. So let's start with a new client. Because I'm sending forms, I'm going to check Send Client Account Invitation. And now I'll choose that uploaded form. I can also send them digital forms at the same time. I'll send one of each, the uploaded form in PDF format and the digital form. I'll see both forms as pending because the client hasn't filled them out yet. Now we're going through the client experience. They'll receive your email and click to create their client account. Now they'll see both intake forms, the one that you sent in digital format and the one that you uploaded as a PDF. So let's see what the difference in experience is. The digital form they'll be able to fill out online. It's also mobile friendly, so they could fill it out from a smartphone. Once they're finished, they can submit the form. Now let's look at the uploaded PDF form. It's going to let them know this is a non-digital form, so they'll understand the difference in experience. Here they can download the form you've sent. Once they've filled that out and saved it to their system, they can just click the form name again and upload their form. Then if you've added the signature block, they're going to see that here. If you uncheck that, then they can simply submit and not sign. And now they've completed both forms. Let's go back to your side of the platform. Okay, we're back on your side of the platform, so let's refresh our client profile page. We can see that both forms have been completed. I would have also received an email as usual. This is the digital form, and this is the PDF uploaded form. So you'll see that the system treats them in very similar ways. The main difference is in the client experience and how they need to fill them out, as well as the fact that the Word and PDF forms won't populate the client profile. I'll also still have the completed counts showing as well as pending. That's a quick overview of how to create an uploaded form template in PDF or Word format. And if you have any questions, reach out anytime.